Alright, to prove these triangles are congruent, we only have one theorem at our disposal, the SAS, and we already have a pair of sides, so we can check that box off. We don't need that. We have another pair of sides using the reflexive property. Segment BC of the green triangle is congruent to segment BC of the yellow triangle, so that's a pair of sides. So we can check that box. So what do we need to prove the triangles are congruent? We need a pair of angles, the angles that are included between the given sides. In other words, we need to know that this angle is congruent to that angle. Or in other words, our final answer is this. This angle is angle BCA, and this one is angle BCD. That's what we need to prove that the triangles are congruent using the SAS congruence theorem.